Hi, Tony. Thanks very much for the question. So let me try and help you with this. I've managed to get the electrical wiring diagrams for these tumble dryers and also the workshop manual, which will assist you no end in double checking your heating system. Okay, the first wiring diagram is the elementary diagram, which shows you where the components go to the circuit board. As you can see on the screen here, you've got the NTC sensor and the heating element, and also a drum sensor. I think that's a condumentric sensor. You'll find how to test the heating element on page 23 of this workshop manual. So just jump through to the point. I won't be talking all the way through the manual, so just jump through to the point and you'll be able to read the instructions on the screen. And this wiring diagram is a little bit more detailed. You can see that the heating element is a two-stage heating element. In other words, it's got a high and a low side. You want to check both thermostats. As I said, I've done other videos on them before, and also check both fields on the heating element. The relay is not that detailed in your photographs, which we'll look at now. Okay, Tony, you sent us the pictures in, but I can't read the writing on the top of the relays. So I'm just doing this off the top of my head. These machines are about 10 years old. So they are either 12 or 24 volt, and you're looking for the higher ampage relay on the board. I think it's the one to the far right in your picture, in your second picture. And I've done a detailed video that you can see here on how to inspect relays and replace them. We have got a few relays on the website that we sell, but it may not be the right one. So you're going to have to do some research on Google to find a supplier of the relay, or send us the information in and I'll see if I can source it. Now we're going to flick through to the workshop manual. I'll quickly explain how the manual works for you. Okay, your AEG machine is manufactured by Electrolux, and or the Electrolux group, and that's AEG, Electrolux and Zanussi. These manuals are absolutely brilliant for actually working on these machines, and they're a really well-made tumble dryer, so it's well worth keeping going. Look, every component is talked about in the manual. What you really are interested in is page 23. That will explain the heating system, how to test it, and also the values on the NTC sensors. I've got an additional video on NTC sensors on our YouTube channel, which will assist you in working out if it's operating correctly. Page 28 will take you into the diagnostic mode on these machines, and that's really useful as well. And page 32 will also give you a list of all the error codes. As I said, every component is explained in this, and it helps so many people, these manuals do. So if anyone else is watching this, you just have to flick through the manual. I'm setting it up to every 2 seconds, so you can press pause to stop at any point to assist you in reading the information on the screen. I'm not going to talk all the way through the video because otherwise it would be too long. But I hope this helps you. And remember, if we do manage to find out the relay on your circuit board, do send us the information if we didn't carry it in stock, so I can actually get them in for other people in the future. Thanks very much for watching the video, and do enjoy the rest of it.